Hey, what are you guys doing? Are we gonna go pick out some ice cream, some chocolate for Grandma?
Kim's waiting for her last doctor's visit. This your last one?
Maybe.
I think so. Kim.
Car that we might not have very much longer. We'll call Dr. Kim.
Okay, now let's sideways shot, please.
The sheep is over there. You don't want the sheep? Which one do you want? You want the bunny?
Yeah.
You want the bunny? Okay.
I just thought I'd get a picture of our blue house and our blue and white pickup because it seems like we always forget to take a picture of our vehicles till they're gone.
A plant.
A plant for who?
Mama.
For Grandma? Yeah. Have fun. Abby, what are we doing? Hi.
Red barn that we're gonna make the dairy in, maybe. Someday maybe we're gonna make the dairy here. This is March the 13th, 1998.
I'll tell you when to turn. Turn here.
No, I want you to hold this.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
December 7th is Pearl Harbor Day.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
What do you have to say in the camera?
Oh, I'm just so happy to be moving to our wonderful new home. It's going to be so glorious. Did Grandpa send you over here?
Mm-hmm.
He did?
Yeah.
So what's this?
He's so sweet.
It's a foggy morning and I got these guys working their buns off. And Caleb, he won't help them because the cows will eat him. Right?
I don't like
Bulls.
Go say hi, Grandma. No, say hi, Grandma.
Okay.
Ellie, did you finish your bunny before Abby did?
See if she'll give you the rest of her bunny.
Yeah,
You want to see if she'll give you the rest of her bunny so you can eat it? Can Ellie have the rest of your bunny? Huh?
No, she's just going to eat it all by herself.